Ayan, University of Bahrain. So now we're on the University of Bahrain, and again we're going to Los Paradise. So our transport. Anything you say, but concentrate on your driving for safety. Tren Model is our navigator. So we're near or far? 8 minutes. 2 minutes. So it's already near. Okay. Ito naman ako, yung passenger here. So maliligo kami sa Los Paradise. Sana hindi kami malos sa aming pagpunta dito. Na lang daw kami. So malapit. 8 minutes pa pala. 8 minutes pa pala. At some point. Yep. So we're going to have a stop by. Sige lang, ano ka lang, nasa Al-Arin na tayo. Al-Arin, yan yung mga wildlife. Wild park pala. Ayan yung may mga kayo. Nakikita mo na? Nakikita mo na ba? Ayan na. Los Paradise Water Park. Ang abaw. Los Paradise na tayo. Umikot ka na lang pabalik ulit. Naliligaw, may panyupel. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan na po ang Los Paradise. Ayan. Escape. Ayan. Papunta na po kami dito. We're going in now to Los Paradise of Dilmun. Ayan. Ang init. So, sige na. Welcome to Los Paradise. But we are late actually. Yeah. So we did not get lost, but we ate. Hi, Munel. Hi. Welcome to Dilmun, Los Paradise Park. Los Paradise na kami entrance. So, ayan. Oh, magsalita kayo. Hi, hello dyan. O, dali. Magsashot ako. O, ayan. O, ayan. Sige, luwag. Okay. Without diversions, without lost. Okay, good. So we'll go now.